In this video, I'll go over 3 very common formula errors that people encounter in LibreOffice Calc. Hi, my name is Michael with Office Nifty. I make quick tips and video tutorials on how to use Calc software. So here in Sheet 2, I have just a small table, and these are the 3 most common error codes. Now, I don't have actual statistics to back this up, but I noticed that these are highly searched terms for LibreOffice Calc in some popular search engines. So that means most, if not all of us, run into this while we're typing formulas. So don't worry if you see these error codes. I'll try to demystify it for you here in this video. The first one is error 502, and it's an invalid argument. If I click here, this is the actual error message we would see when we type in a bad formula. So my example, if we look at the formula bar, I'm trying to do a square root function, but on a negative number. It doesn't really like that because that doesn't exist unless we kind of figure out some imaginary numbers and all that jazz. So instead of telling us what I just said, it gives us an error code. Now, one possible solution, of course, is use the function, especially math ones, as intended. But here we see I'm using of positive 100 and the value is 10. So next error is 509. This one is a missing operator. If we take a look at the formula, I'm basically trying to get a product after summing 2 numbers, but really this is a typo and Calc doesn't like it. It's because it expects the multiplication sign after the number 2. So the easy fix to this is type in the asterisk to represent multiply, and we have the value of 130. Now the third error is error 522, which means circular reference. So if we take a look at what's wrong, I'm trying to sum the number 25 and I'm referring to cell D8. Well, if we see cell D8 is this actual cell itself, which means it's a circular reference. It can't really add itself over and over and over forever. Well, one possible fix is don't refer to the cell itself within the formula and just use some other number. In this case, I use 40, or just pick a different cell reference to use in your function. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope it was helpful to you. I recommend that you watch my other video on how to show the formula in a spreadsheet instead of the value and to switch back and forth within your spreadsheet in LibreOffice Calc. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay nifty.